Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn drum music. First, grasp basic rhythm by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and understanding note values like quarter notes and eighth notes. Next, identify each drum and cymbal on a standard 5-piece kit, knowing their unique sounds. Finally, practice holding your sticks correctly and maintaining good posture. This prevents injury and improves your playing. These initial steps are crucial for building a solid foundation in drumming. Decoding drum notation is key to playing written music. The 5-line staff shows where each drum and cymbal is placed. For example, the bass drum is on the bottom space. You'll encounter various note values, from whole notes lasting 4 beats to 16th notes, which are 4 notes per beat. Also, pay attention to rests, indicating silence, and dynamic markings like forte for loud or piano for soft. Mastering these symbols unlocks a world of drum scores. Effective practice is vital for progress. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to focused practice, ensuring consistency. Always use a metronome. It's your best friend for developing rock-solid timing and maintaining a steady tempo. Begin with basic rudiments and simple grooves, then slowly introduce more challenging patterns. A great tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back helps you objectively pinpoint mistakes and track your improvement over time. To truly advance your drumming, explore diverse musical genres, from jazz to rock, expanding your rhythmic understanding. Master essential drum rudiments, such as the 26 standard ones, including the single-stroke roll and the paradiddle, which are foundational. Play along with your favorite tracks to apply new techniques in a musical context. Finally, consider seeking guidance from an experienced drum teacher. Their personalized feedback can accelerate your learning journey significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.